afternoon. It's about 2:30, heading out on Friday. The rain finally let up enough for my taste to get out and fish. The tide is extremely high, so I'm going to check some high areas, shallow spots first, see what's happening. Looks like we got the aftermath of the fireworks up ahead. I haven't been out here since the 4th. All right, let's see what happens. What do we got here? Oh. Oh. What do we have here? He's quick, whatever he is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. There's a little bit better fish. Dang it. I guess I need to set the power cord. Really wouldn't mind if you'd flop off right there, guy. Oh, getting all muddy. No grass for you to tangle me up in, huh? Oh. Not that weed. Oh, another little better one. Came off after a couple head shakes. Feel a little bit better. Just a fighter. Oh, I guess it was better than the last couple fish. Not great. Took the bait a little deeper. That's something that has made me a believer in feeding periods. Is I have seen right at the beginning of the feeding period, fish are just barely getting hooked, or you're missing swipes, and then as time goes on further into the feeding period, they just start taking that hook deeper and deeper and deeper. Oh. There are definitely fish around this spot, but they are not really hitting it until that guy. A little keeper. Probably. Jeez. See, I'm gonna let this guy go on the other side of the boat, closer to the shallow water. Give him a better chance. Spirited. I think he's a little bigger. Jeez, settle down. Got some energy. Cool, oxygenated water. Got him feisty, I guess. Oh, that grasp. Fish ain't minded. Well, neither do I. Nice one. Investigating, got a little too close. There we go. Really grass. Caught a few trout in the mid-20s. 25 is probably about the biggest since the freeze, but nothing too big. See? Not only the bite, I think it's a little bit better fish. A little bit better. Right in the corner of the mouth where it belongs. That was interesting. All right, Murphy's Law. About 5 to 10 casts after my GoPro battery went dead. I hooked was probably my biggest trout I've had on the line of the summer. Came up and gave me some nice head shakes. Got a really good hook set on it. I'm not sure how it came off. Same area, but I feel like the same caliber of trout as the one that came up last time. Definitely not. That head that came up on the last bite was enormous. Got some slicks popping out. Some people like to say that slicks are a sign that fish were feeding an hour or 2 hours previously, which may be the case at times, but I feel like when I'm seeing slicks, they are currently eating. It coincides with feeding periods very often that slicks start to pop up. And I have had nice thumps, or sometimes caught them, sometimes missed them. But right where you get that bite, you see the slick pop up. So yeah, they were probably eating earlier, but they're still eating. At the very respectable. Okay, it's gonna be hard to leave this kind of bite. This is kind of how it went down up here last time we had a real high tide. Trout were running a little bigger, and there were some reds mixed in. What can you do? used to read a lot of fishing magazines growing up as a kid, and there was one quote in there that really stuck out to me. It was, "Don't leave fish to find fish." Makes a lot of sense to me. Uh-oh. He baited it. Oh, there's that pink thing sticking on there. Looks like guts, but it has it hooked right on the edge. I don't know about that one. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Huh. Slow. Fast twitch retrieve hasn't been getting them the last few minutes. Oh, the slow worked. That's something I would always recommend, is switching up retrieves before switching up lures. This one a bit down, closer to the bottom. That might be the big one of the day so far, anyhow. Oh, what we got here? He gave a couple good tugs and pops at the surface, but not very big. Not even a keeper, I don't think. Oh, a ripping lit somewhere. Oh yeah. He's liking that fast retrieve, even though it's on the drop off. Or off the drop off, I should say. The deeper part. That deeper water might be a little saltier. Little halo climb. Alright, I think that's gonna be a fish. Oh, swirled immediately. Dang it. Oh, he came back for it. Where's Buddy? One of the two. No editing. Called that one. Nothing too crazy, but looks like a keeper. There we go. That one committed. Feels like has a little weight to it. Nice fish.